Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can exactly fix the black screen after Windows Update. So here are the 5 real fixes that work. So our fix number 1 is going to be force restarting our PC. So if you force restart your PC, just hold the power button for 10 seconds and then turn it back on and see if it works. Now let's go for our second fix. Is the restart graphics driver. So how you can do that is just press Control Shift Windows plus B. These restarts your graphic drivers instantly. Now let's go towards fix number 3, and fix number 3 is basically boot into safe mode. So boot into safe mode, hold shift while clicking restart, then go to troubleshoot, advanced, and then startup settings. Now our fix number 4 is going to be uninstall latest Windows update. So it's very simple, just uninstall the latest update, and sometimes the newest update breaks your display drivers, so just uninstall it, and that's pretty simple. And now our final fifth fix is just update or reinstall your GPU drivers from AMD, Nvidia, or Intel's official website. So if you got a Nvidia GPU, just go to Nvidia's website, or if it's AMD, just go to AMD's website and then just update or reinstall your CPU drivers. And that's pretty much it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.